Today, I want to show you how I grow celery from seeds. It's an easy and fun process, and the results are so lush and delicious. So let's get started. First, we need some containers to grow our celery in. You can use small plastic bottles, jars, or any container that you have around the house. Just make sure that they have drainage holes at the bottom. Fill them halfway up with the rich potting mix. Now, let's get our seeds ready. You can either grow celery from seeds you already have or buy them from a nursery. Just follow the instructions on the seed packet for planting, distance, and time between waterings. Once your seeds have sprouted, it's time to start planting them in our bottles. Just make sure that the top of the seedling doesn't go above the rim of the bottle. This will help it grow upwards. Leave a bit of space between each seedling and cover the rest of the space with soil. This will help keep the soil moist for our celery baby. And here, we have our beautiful baby celery plants. Just make sure you give them plenty of sunlight and water as needed. Every couple of days, you can gently lift the top inch of soil and add some water to the bottle. This will help keep the celery roots moist. They'll grow really quickly, so make sure you water them often. After a few weeks, your celery should be reaching its full growth. And here, you have your very own growing celery from small plastic bottles project. Just trim the stems at an angle and enjoy your lush, crunchy, and delicious celery.